if you want to make a meal like this, without a mess like this, you need to prep like this with the Prepdeck. With Prepdeck, anyone can quickly prep an amazing meal. When he says, I cook, you clean, it's a fair trade-off, not a sick joke. He watches a lot of cooking videos and used to make a huge mess in my kitchen. But now the mess is managed with Prepdeck, with everything he needs to follow along with his favorite influencers. The Prepdeck is a complete chef station with everything you need to prep for an Instagrammable meal, all in a compact case.
I honestly have no excuse to eat out anymore. It makes cooking so easy.
It's gonna help me stay organized, keep the kitchen clean whenever I am cooking.
It saves me so much time and looks super aesthetic.
Prepdeck makes it easier to chop, dice, measure, and prepare all of the ingredients, making cooking quicker, cleaner, and more efficient. And any chef can tell you,
the #1 key to enjoy making quality food is to separate the prep from the actual cooking, you f***ing donkey!
all the Prepdeck containers come with measurements on the side so you don't have to fumble with clumsy measuring tools. And they are all made with clear, dishwasher-safe Triton material, which make them great for preparing food, cleaning up, storing leftovers, and preparing new meals. And then you can say, bon appetit, or
welcome to Flavor City!
Please stop. And just like the pros, you'll have everything you need right here. And they all snap right onto the container, like a juicer,
So juicy.
a cheese grater,
So cheesy.
a mandolin slicer.
So slicey.
Kevin, you can use the Prepdeck in a sec, okay?
Oh, yeah.
If you like to party, Prepdeck can handle everything from Taco Tuesday to Pizza Party. And of course, Borscht Bonanza.
Nothing beats good borscht.
So you may not be able to stop the horrible jokes, but you can stop the horrible mess. Buy Prepdeck today and get all this functionality in one tidy little case. So get your Prepdeck today and make a meal, not a mess.